Okay, so the 3 containers we're planting are proven winner Solenia yellow. This is a begonia. Sun to shade, 8 to 12 inches. Great news for my warm weather folks. It's a perennial in zones 9A through 12A. And cold hardy zones, how cold can it take? It doesn't say, but great news for my warm weather folks. We can handle, a bee. A bee. Okay, I'm back. I got chased away by a bee. All right, and the dahlia that we're planting is a hypnotic rose bicolor, takes full sun, attracts butterfly. I love butterflies in the garden. It says it's an annual, but I'm going to see if it comes back. Normally, dahlias come back in my zone. Oh my gosh, there is a bee. That's fine. All right, there's a bee, and I'm hurrying. Okay. This one is a coneflower sombrero. 6+ hours of sun, attracts butterflies. There's a bee flying around. Oh my gosh, she's following me. I literally got driven away by the bee. I wonder if because my head looked like a sunflower, because I have the sun head on with my hair in the middle. It might look like a sunflower. They're trying to pollinate my hair. All right, let's try this again. These are the 3 containers I'm planting in the front. Hypnotic Rose bicolor dahlia, Solenia yellow, and a coneflower, a sombrero adobe orange. It's a coneflower. Echinacea, yep, it's called echinacea as well. And they're all warm weather tolerant. I told you guys already this one is hardy in zones 9A to 12A. It's a perennial. And this one says an annual, the dahlia, but dahlias normally come back, so I'll leave it in and see if it comes back next year. This one's a perennial as well, so hopefully the bee is gone. Let's head back over there and get them in ground because we're about to lose sun. We're getting these planted up today. So let's get them in the ground. And another day of me racing against the sun. Put a little bitone in there. Mix it around. Oops. And backfill it with the natural soil. I'm gonna top dress it with some compost in a minute. So I top dress it with some compost. Perfect. All right, so one in. Let me get to the other one.
One week later.
So it has been about a week since I planted these, and it's been raining. Actually, no, it's been almost 2 weeks since I planted these, and it has been raining every day. Like even right now, it was raining and it just stopped raining. Like even the grass and the weeds, they are all out here living life. Now you can see all the soil is hitting the flowers because of all the heavy rains. These are looking lovely. Look at my coneflowers, so pretty. And they're gonna go into fall, and that's why I like the yellow and orange because they will last until fall time. This dahlia is an annual, so that's what the tag said. But it's coming in deadheaded. Maybe I see one tiny bud right there. So it's not taking too well to all the rain that's falling, and maybe it's just spent bloom. So I'll keep an eye on it and see. And it repeats all the way down there. And as you can see, the green one's a new one that's coming in. That's so pretty. Wow. So now I'm thinking like, maybe I should have put them a bit closer, like the echinacea, like closer to that one to make it clusters. Who knows? I may get another one. If I see another one, I'll put it next to that one and another one next to that. So we'll see. And take the dahlia out. But it's rain. Look at this. Look at all my petunias, my super petunias. Whenever it rains so much, the petals close up. So when we have a long stretch, okay, when we have a day where there's no rain, I'll come in and weed because, oh my goodness, my weeds are taking over, guys. And let me give you a sneak peek. Look at this. My butterfly bush. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at all those blooms. So pretty. I need to come in and give you guys a garden update because I know I did my May garden tour already, but there's so many new blooms. Like look at this rose right here. I got this from Costco. Last year it grew this tall. This year this one stem cane is like whew. It's as tall as the double knockout roses. And look at all the new buds coming in. I'm so excited. I think my next video, actually let me show you because I've actually finished already. My next video will be sneak peek, sneak peek, sneak peek. Oop. Red, white, and blue. All right, see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.